our cats, Leo didn't like us and he's the fastest one. But I accidentally pulled Z's tail. And don't forget this one. I hate the quartermaster. I don't like her name. She makes scary stuff for 5-year-old and 6-year-old. Please do not watch Quartermaster ever again. I'm a hater. Please put this on a video before I erase it. And Daddy sees if I make it. Please erase it. And please watch and make it a video of a Quartermaster's hater. I hate Quartermaster. And last is Bagel. I like Bagel because he's cute, and I like Kitty the most. And bye.